What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, here we have a 2004 GMC Sierra with a 4.8 liter. This is my son's truck. Well, it's had this no crank, no start, intermittent issue. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's not. Well, it's getting a little bit more frequent, and what I've done in the past is, take a jumper wire and short the starter relay across and get it started, and it seems to be fine for a little while. And I've been poking and prodding, and I've got, of course, just like always, the problem has gone away, but I'm tired of driving 80 miles round trip to haul this thing home on a trailer to work on it. So I've got power on my two 12-volt leads under here on the ignition plug here. I've got crank signal right now. I've got all that. It's been fine. But when it does mess up, I do get transmission codes, shift solenoids and torque converter, and the HVAC doesn't work right, service airbag. So it's definitely a 12-volt feed that is having a short or a bad connection. So I did some digging, did some prying around. I've probed all of this crap. I've swapped the relays out. I've checked this, I've checked that. And of course, right now, everything's fine. But I started digging deeper and deeper and deeper. I mean, look at all this down in here. It's just, typical, I guess. But look at here. Bam! I took that plug off. And that is B12. Row B, pin 12. Show you. The pin itself doesn't really look bad. Down at the very bottom, row B, so second row from the left. That looks fine. But on the plug itself, this is where it's been intermittent. I can get underneath there and tug and pry and push and poke, and it seems to be fine. But there you go. That's the problem right there. That wire is a 12-volt wire that feeds several systems. So I believe I'm going to clean that up and see if it's salvageable. If not, all you got to do is that B12 wire on the back side, which is a red wire down there. You can see where it's been on it. I think it's kind of off-colored behind that green one. I'm just going to cut that wire right there, and I'm going to run my own power wire with one of these fusible link. Put a fuse in it, and you're good to go. So, a little tidbit for you. If you're having this issue, pull that connector off. It's just got that one bolt on the back side, which I believe is a 9/32 or a 7mm, and kind of have to pry a little bit, but this plug will come loose, and check your pins. It's pretty obvious where the problem lies. So anyways, please like and sub, you beautiful people, and we'll catch you on the next one.